Hello viewers, I'm Kevin with H2Owize. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install an irrigation ring in a turf application and also do some basic turf repair with some very handy Corona tools and your bare hands. We first start by placing our ring in the location where we want to plant our tree. Start by outlining the tree with the Edgemaster, cutting all the way through the sod. Our irrigation ring works by delivering a precise and controlled amount of water to the root ball of the tree, while also preventing erosion and runoff from excess water. The thick steel blade of this tool cuts effortlessly through the sod. Maybe you're like me and you have a dog that just pees all over the lawn, creating brown spots which you constantly have to chase. Using the Edgemaster, we're going to trace around these dead spots and replace with fresh sod. Next, with a mattock, I'm going to remove all the dead sod and prepare the soil for a fresh piece of grass. This mattock is probably the handiest tool I have in my arsenal, and I use it daily. Now I'm ready to lay in my new piece of sod and instant grassification. After replacing over a dozen burn spots, it's nice to have a comfortable grip on this tool. At H2Owize, we believe in being good corporate stewards. That's why we're part of the corporate tree planting program with the National Forest Foundation. For every ring you purchase and install, we are going to plant a tree in the national forests. If you want to start saving money and conserving water, use our irrigation rings. They can be found at select professional distributors throughout the country. For more information, go to h2owize.com.